This is question 15 from exercise 35.2 in Project Maths 1. A theatre with seating accommodation for 50 people took in €600 on a night when all the seats were sold. Seats were priced at €15 and €10. Let X be the number of €15 seats sold and Y be the number of €10 seats sold. So for part 1 of this, we have to write down an equation in X and Y for the number of seats sold. Well, we'll go back to the question. The theatre had seating accommodation for 50 people and all the seats were sold, which means that we know our answer is going to be equal to 50. And then we just got to fill in the X and Y that goes with this. Well, X is the number of €15 seats and Y is the number of €10 seats. So if we add the number of both €15 and €10 seats together, we should get 50. So in other words, X plus Y is equal to 50. That's going to be our first equation. Right. Now, for part 2, we've got to write down an equation and X and Y for the price of seats sold. Well, we know it's going to be equal to 600 because they took in €600 on the night. We've just got to work out the cost of each. Well, the amount of money that they made from the €15 seats is going to be the number of those seats multiplied by the cost of those seats. So the number of those seats is X and the cost is 15, so it's going to be 15X. And the amount of money they made from the €10 seat is going to be the number of those seats multiplied by the cost of those seats. Well, the cost of the €10 seats is €10 and the number of them is Y, so that's going to be plus 10Y. That's equal to 600. And that's our equation 2. For part 3, we've got to solve our two simultaneous equations. Okay, so for this to work, we need to get either the number in front of both the x's to match or the number in front of both of the y's to match, and we need the signs to be different. But we haven't got that right now, so what we're going to do in order to make that work is we're going to multiply equation 1 by minus 10. And we're going to do nothing to equation 2, it's going to be just fine. So equation 1 by minus 10 means we're going to get minus 10x minus 10y is equal to minus 500. And equation 2 is going to stay as is. It's going to be 15x plus 10y is equal to 600. Now if we draw a line under them and we add downwards, minus 10x plus 15x is 5x, minus 10y plus 10y is 0, and minus 500 plus 600 is 100. So we have 5x equals 100, which means x is equal to 100 over 5. So x is equal to 20. And then what we can do then, in order to get our value for y, is we take our value for x and we put it back into equation 1 in place of x. So instead of x plus y equals 50, we're going to have 20 plus y equals 50, which means y is equal to 50 minus 20. So y is equal to 30. So that's part 3. And part 4 of the question asks us to specify how many of each particular price were sold. So there were 20 €15 seats and there were 30 €10. And now the question's done.